morning. How y'all doing? We are at Greenwood State Park in Greenwood, South Carolina. My sister lives in Greenwood and we came to visit with her for a few days. We have a nice view, waterfront right here. It's funny, it rained yesterday. There was no water up here. Now look. We are in a pull-through site here. The one behind us is also pull-through. They have a fire pit and a picnic table. Yes, we're cleaning out our truck. And a light pole. And of course, if you had a tent, I guess you could put a tent out here. Hear the birds in the background. Kids hollering. Yeah. Dogs barking. Yep, it's a state park. This one next to us is a back end. This is like $30 a night or something like that. I mean, it's not bad. You have water and power. You know, the ones that have septic are a little bit more. But it's not a bad park. Not a bad park. If you're into staying in parks. And y'all know us, we like our boondocking. The weather here is not conducive to use our solar. But we have our directional up and we're getting fantastic Wi-Fi. You are allowed to ride e-bikes in this state park. Of course, we are in South Carolina now. Not too bad of a restaurant. At least it's clean. Got 3 potties, 1 handicap. Okay. 2 sinks. And 2 showers. Oh, they're super clean. Wow, how about that? Pretty cool. Got hooks. Yeah. Oh, got a heater in here. And windows, because boy, don't you know it'd be humid in here. Woo! Alright, well, that's the restroom. Mr. C says the men's is the same. Most all these sites are pretty level. Some of the interior sites are a little off. So you're going to have some blocking, that's for sure. But yes, that is another restroom with showers. Okay. They're old, but they are clean. It's pretty cool. If you need to see water, you can see water from almost any of these sites in here. It's pretty sweet. And this place is packed. There's a few open, but there's a lot of people here. And it's going to get cold this weekend. So I don't know how many of them will be here when the temperatures drop to 25 degrees this weekend. We'll see. It's snowing north of us. That's another reason we're here. Oh, wow, there's another bathhouse. So they have plenty of bathhouses, y'all. Plenty. Since we were here the last time, we do believe they added some more sites. We don't remember it being this big the last time we were here. Got a nature trail right there. Look how big this park is. The length is 4.21 miles. It's hiking and biking trail. It's easy to moderate. Wow, they got bald eagles here. How sweet is that? Nice, nice, nice. So, it says here that this is Lake Greenwood State Park, but your contact is 96, South Carolina. Okay, so we're in 96, not Greenwood. but we're not too far from Greenwood. Like 5 miles maybe to town, Walmart, and you know, anything you need. Laundromat. We did our laundry yesterday at MLC. That's a nice laundromat. Very nice laundromat. But lots of birds here. Why, I hear a woodpecker. I'm not sure what this building is. They must have like group get-togethers in there. That's what I'm assuming anyway. You know what they say though, never assume. Things are always changing in this world. We're going to walk campground 2, and most of these sites are on the water. We stayed in this area the last time we were here. We'll point out some good sites. There's the dump station, so when you come out of the campground, you can dump and hose everything off. Not too shabby at all. And they have a little area here where they keep their equipment because they're working on some of the sites in the campground. Now, campground 2 has newer stuff. They have a newer bathhouse, have a little pier there for fishing. You can see across the way they have some new steps that go down to the water over there. A lot of fishing goes on here. Lots of fishing. They have a host on this side. I think we might have one on that side, but I'm not sure. We'll have to check that out. Look, nice level site right there. Water and power, picnic table, fire ring, light post. They have a big bathhouse here, right in the center of the campground.
Campgrounds that we go to, especially in hilly country, if there's a handicapped person, you're already putting them at risk with the grade on this campsite. To me, it's an unsafe campground for a campground site for a handicapped person. If you look at it, I mean, you got a back rig here and they pull their rig in. Maybe if they got a pull-in rig with the, you know, if they're handicapped in a wheelchair, this site is no good.
It is a little, even with a person walking with a cane, that might be a little difficult. A lot of times we see these empty because of that reason. The sites that are on the water are mostly level. It's the ones that are on the interior that are on the hill. It's pretty though, huh? Pretty. Pretty, pretty. It's really pretty in the fall, in the spring. This is site 113. Last time we were here, they all pulled their boats up. That's why they have these little steps here. But I mean, there should be some kind of railing along here. I mean, if you have kids, wow.
Well, I mean, it's an overall nice campground. Good place for families to come.
Oh, definitely. On our side, there's a ton of families.
Oh, man.
This is the quiet area over here.
Senior section over here, campground 2. The rate runs from, I think they're 32 through the week, And on the weekends, they're $39 a night. Friday, Saturday, Sunday are $39, I think is what it was. Almost $40 a night.
Wow.
My overall night for our 6 nights stay here with the average was 30 with tax and all, $33.80. Right at $197 for 6 nights. And they have a monthly rate that you can get.
It's $750.
It's $750, but you have to. I'm not sure if you're allowed to stay. You have to move every 14 days.
Which is ridiculous if you're paying for a month.
You've got to confirm that with them. I'm not sure how their system works. I'm not even interested in doing it myself.
Right.
But something somebody wants to come here and do, they get a monthly winter rate for you people up north. I think it was 42 days you have to rotate, leave the park.
Oh, and be out for like 14 days, huh?
No, be out like for 7 days.
Oh, 7 days. This is the only campground.
Yeah, these two in this park.
There's lots of boat landings and lots of boat ramps.
Yeah,
So that's what all that is on the map.
Greenwood, I guess it don't show you where there's any other camping. It shows you boat stuff, a lot of boat stuff here.
Yeah, a lot of fishing here. Lots of fishing.
Anyway, it's a big lake though.
It is.
Beautiful area.
Yeah. The dumpsters are here when you first come in or go out the park. And they have recycling right there. They also have a dump station here. This is campground 2, where we are camped. As you can see, it's pretty well full.
Weekenders. The locals come out here.
Yep. And really, I've only seen 2 tents. The host is here. The ones on the outside are the ones that are the most level. The interior ones are the ones that are not. So keep that in mind when you're looking for a campsite here. Some of these have sewer and some of them don't. But all of them have power and water. This one is definitely a tent site. This is one that's on the water. And it's pretty level.
It was reserved for the weekend.
Of course it was. Yeah, lots of people canceled because of the weather. 14's not too bad. That's 14. And this one over here is 15. 17's not too bad either. But look at that blocking they had to do right there. Wow. And that one has,
Full hookup.
yep, full hookup on site 19.
Right there. That one too.
Yep.
The one behind it back.
I like 21 also. Runs right into 22. They just kept paving. And these in the middle here, I guess if you get far enough back, it's not too bad as far as leveling it up. Now this one, look at the leveling they had to do to this puppy. Wow. 25's a nice site. Lots of squirrels, lots of squirrels. This site over here has, oh, this one too, has full hookup. Full hookup there too. This is site 32. 37 is a nice site. A doggy in the window. Yeah, 39 is short.
What do you reckon that is?
25 feet?
25, 30 feet. Right in.
Yeah. 40 is on a little bit of a slope, y'all. Little bit of a slope. On to the side and down. Wow. Right. Got a 5th wheel on that one. 41's pretty good. Water and power. 42's okay. At least the top of it here is flat, level. You see Sasquatch. Oh, y'all see Sasquatch through the woods?
Might have to get a little closer.
Ooh, he's right up there. Oh, there he is. He peeked out behind the tree there. Yeah, they're working on the shoreline.